Hello folks, today I've been asked to come out here to take a look at this conduit coming up here for my, see, this is my meter base right here, and my main power is coming into the house. This is underground service, which we see in a lot of our newer subdivisions. But you see how my conduit, this is supposed to be protecting my wiring, and see how that wire, now this is major electric coming in here. I'm talking major electric coming into your home. And the reason we want that protected in case something hits it, like a weed eater or something like that. You hit that with a weed eater, you're standing in some wet ground, you can be dead within moments. That's how important this is. I'm glad they give me a call on this, because this is something that somebody needs to take care of immediately. Well, thank you for watching our videos, folks. I hope this has been helpful. Hey, if you like what you see on our videos, hit like and subscribe. We'd really appreciate it. It would really help so other people can get to enjoy these too. And they can learn like you all are. Thank you, folks. Give us a call. Galloway Building Services.